Hello students. Today we are going to understand that when a bar magnet is placed in uniform magnetic field, what happens and what are the behavior of the magnetic substance, iron, cobalt, nickel, gadolinium, dysprosium. These are some elements. What are the behavior of these elements when we place it in a magnetic field? So to start with, let us start the first derivation. It is torque. Now students, what is torque? Torque is an ability of the force to produce rotational motion. This is what we know it already. Torque is formula force into momentum. So what is momentum? It is the perpendicular distance from the point of application of force and axis of rotation. So our first derivation stands for torque acting on a bar magnet when placed in uniform magnetic field. So let us see over here. I took a uniform magnetic field represented by parallel lines. A bar magnet is placed with its axis making angle theta. So north and south, this distance is 2L. Magnetic dipole moment of a magnet is M is equal to 2ml. So north pole has a pole strength plus M, south pole has a pole strength minus M. So north pole experience a force F is equal to plus MB, south pole experience a force F is equal to minus MB. So this plus MB minus MB are equal and opposite. So therefore equal and opposite force form couple which also produce rotational motion. So therefore moment of couple is also known as torque. And now our formula becomes one force into perpendicular distance. Now in order to get perpendicular distance, we have a construction NP perpendicular to SP. We made it construction. So torque becomes F into NP. Now if you look at the triangle NPS, this is theta. So make sure that all the angles will be theta because the axis is making an angle. So it forms corresponding angle. And because it is corresponding angle, we have all the angles equal. So we have that theta. So we have sine theta is equal to opposite side is this, opposite upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is ns. So it is np upon 2l. So np is equal to 2l sine theta. That's your equation number. That is the equation. We substitute this over here in equation number 1. So let us say this equation as equation number 1 we have taken. Okay, so we have torque is equal to mb, force F is mb into np, perpendicular distance. Np is 2l sin theta. So take the term 2ml b sin theta. So torque is equal to mb sin theta. So this is the formula for the torque, what we get it by our derivation. Okay, the formula for the torque, what we get it by derivation. Now see some few points we have to again understand. Torque is a vector quantity. So torque bar is m bar cross b bar. We know the formula a bar cross b bar is equal to ab sin theta. So torque mb sin theta becomes torque bar cross m bar. Unit of torque is Newton meter. Dimensional formula for torque is m1 L2 T minus 2. Now few things we need to understand from our entrance examination level point of view. Okay, so it is from MCQ point of view, that if magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field, it experience force non-uniform. It experience force as well as torque. But if a magnet is placed or kept in uniform magnetic field, it experience only torque. And these are the possible values. We can change it accordingly as our theta changes. Some example, when theta is equal to 0, sine of theta is 0, sine 0 is 0, so torque is 0, any number multiplied by 0. And when torque is 180, 90 or pi by 2, we have the value sine theta as 1, so we have maximum torque. So from these expression we can conclude that magnet always, if you place a bar magnet in a uniform magnetic field, it always try to align itself in the direction parallel to the field or in the direction of the field. This is the derivation for the torque acting. Thank you.